as soon as you walk in here, what strikes you is how much living space you have. There's actually 2 lounges in here, one here and one just behind you back there. I'll show you that in a second. And you wouldn't believe that this would turn into an 8-person motorhome to sleep 8 people.
I think they call it berth tours, 8 berths.
Do they?
Yeah.
Technical lingo, you see that. But the reason it does is because this area here converts quite quickly into a double bed. The sofa at the back converts into a double bed, and there's 2 more double beds that magically drop from the ceiling, one here and one back there, which is an option.
So this is the brilliant electronic table. Dan, if you could just pop that up a little bit for me, that'd be great. Lovely. Okay, so let's turn it around. It's so easy to move. That's it. It's just one little lever here, and then you can flip it over if there are more of you eating, and then again, it's really, really easy to pop back where it was.
Now this also, when you drop it down, forms one of the base of the optional beds.
Here we are in the kitchen. Now, as you can see, it's got quite a nice big open kind of kitchen area here that flips up to give you a little bit more space. You've got a 3-ring gas burner with an electric hot plate, separate grill, separate oven, which I just think is brilliant. And up here you can choose whether you have extra cupboards or a built-in microwave. Again, with this microwave there's no plate, and so there's no kind of rattly thing that you've got to hide under your sofa cushions while you're travelling. And here we have the fridge. It's a great big 136 litre Thetford tower fridge. It's just huge and would probably fit enough food for my kids for a week.
To the side of the kitchen is the wet room, the shower, toilet and really big sink. And the best thing is because it's in the centre of the motorhome, it can be accessed from both the sleeping areas without disturbing the other party. At the back of the motorhome is the second lounge, which I've got to say feels to me very much like the adults lounge.
You love this, don't you? And when it's time to go to bed, whether that's in the front or the back of the motorhome, this is how easy it is to make up your double bed.
That is my cue. You can stop it here if you want. If you want to use, set the bed up beneath as well, if you like a double bunk bed. Or of course, for us, we have the kids there and we would sleep this side.
So, the Adamo 75-4Dl is an incredibly versatile area for family members, for 2 sets of family members. You can put your kids in one half and you in the other, or a group of mates if you want to use it that way.
Yeah, with 8 bed spaces, it's a bit of a party vehicle, or of course going on exhibitions, or doing festivals, or, as you say, keeping the kids and the parents happy. Because I think this space here, with this lovely little adult lounge and drop down bed lasting at night, was definitely designed by somebody who had kids.
So it's got a fantastic garage for storage, it's got a great living space, brilliant shower room. What more could you want?